George, the nights are getting chillier, and those socks are the only thing keeping me warm right now. Amazing. Next up, we have Bonnie Kwan Simons. Come on down, Bonnie.
This poem's called Over. I wrote it on Sunday. Over. When you text, calm down. I wanted to scream. I am not a child. I am not your child. When you repeated how you could have died 2 days before, I wanted to reiterate, I am not your girlfriend or your chauffeur. Why should I risk losing my license by driving when I've been drinking, just to save you time to get home when you had been at your girlfriend's? I am not your cab service. When you argued with me again, I no longer wanted what we had. You asked, had I met someone else? You didn't see your self-pitying as the reason. When talking, reasoning, being with you is no longer stress-free, I would rather pursue men of a higher social class who pay for meals and drinks, have a better education, a career, are better mannered. You and I don't own each other. We don't owe each other anything. We are over. Thank you.